Sa ilalim ng puti, sa laban.
So, andito kami sa UPLB.
Tara na!
Our world's population is growing rapidly, and we will need more food, water, energy, and other resources essential for life and prosperity. It may seem as an enormous task to focus on our agricultural country, as the nation faces rough challenges and minimal opportunities in the field that we are supposed to excel. With the increase of population and shortage of our resources, try not to forget the occasional weather disturbances. What can we do? For UPLB, or the University of the Philippines Los Baños, the answer to that is simply the innovation and development of agricultural courses and programs for future hopes and leaders of our country. One of the courses offered is Bachelor of Science in Agricultural and Biosystems Engineering, or simply BSABE. But wait, you may have heard of agriculture engineering. Agriculture engineers apply knowledge of engineering technology and science to agriculture and the efficient use of biological resources. Now, what is BSABE? Agricultural and Biosystems engineers combine engineering principles with biological and agricultural sciences. It is the expansion of the former engineering course, hence the scope of BSABE is broader compared to agricultural engineering. The expansion of this scope was called for to answer the world's demands. It represents the evolution of the agricultural engineering discipline applied to all living organisms and addresses areas such as food safety, security, biodiversity, renewable energy, ecosystems protection, climate change mitigation, and human and health safety. With all that mouthful of bio, let's get a little more specific. There are 4 divisions of ABE which homes to its specializations and majors. Tractors, tillers, shellers, and threshers, what do they have in common? Machines. Agricultural Machinery Division, from the name itself, uses deep understanding of agricultural and biosystems in concepts of physics, engineering technology, in creating machines that could effectively till the soil, prepare and plant, harvest seed and seedlings, harvest crops, utilize renewable energy to improve the productivity of our farms. Agriculture is the largest consumer of water, which leads us to the second division, which is Land and Water Resource Division. This division helps develop integrated plans and policies in land and water resources conservation, development, and utilization. Alongside with this, it is one of the vital goals of LWRD to sustain or expand the irrigation base for food security and poverty alleviation. As the years turn into decades and decades turn into centuries, we have drastically changed the way we harvest and produce food. ABPROD, or Agricultural and Bioprocessing Division, is a division that handles post-harvest handling and processing of food and agricultural materials and the development and advancement of technologies to address the needs of food and crop processing industries. According to the Asian Development Bank, crop losses and lower livestock and poultry productions are likely to result from excess heat, drought, and physical damage from rainfall. Agrometeorology and Farm Structures Division, the division which provides leadership in translating sky-high weather problems into manageable ground-level solutions, is the home where farmers and engineers can implement groundbreaking solutions amidst global warming.
So, matanong nga lang, bakit ABE?
So, bakit ko napili yung ABE? First, since bata pa kasi ako, mahilig na akong subject ng biology, especially yung botany. So, pinili ko yung pinakamalapit na course dito, which is agriculture. Pero, napilitan din akong parents yun na mag-engineering. So, pinagsama ko na agriculture and engineering. So, ABE.
Why ABE? Kasi ang sayang isipin na yung field ng agriculture haluan mo ng engineering. Parang ang purposeful ng work mo kapag nag-graduate ka sa course na yun. So, ABE.
Pinili ko yung ABE na course kasi malapit siya sa dream course ko sana na meteorology. Tapos, inline naman siya sa interest ko and nasa course siya sa UPL. So, yun, pinili ko ABE.
Nag-ABE ako kasi yung Philippines is an agricultural country. Yung ABE, yung yung mga agricultural engineers ngayon in demand. Kaya pinili ko to para someday din makatulong sa sector ng Philippines in terms of agriculture.
Bakit abe? Sa totoo lang, hindi ko talaga alam nung una kung ano yung abe. So, ang ginawa ko, nag-research ako. Nalaman ko na parang konti lang yung bilang ng pumipili ng course na yun, kahit na ang ganda ng significance niya sa bansa natin, sa Pilipinas. Kasi nga, isa tayong agricultural country, diba? So, sabi ko sa sarili ko, bakit hindi ko i-take yung risk or opportunity na kunin yung course na yun at maging isang, alam mo yun, productive member of the society through this course.
As we've mentioned before, BS ABE is the expanded version of agricultural engineering, and as a result, job opportunities for undergraduates become almost limitless. Agriculture plays a crucial role in the life of an economy. It is the backbone of our economic system. Agriculture not only provides food and raw material, but also employment opportunities to a very large proportion of a population. And agricultural and biosystems engineering is one of the most important contributors to sustainable development of agriculture. We, as ABE engineers, solve problems concerning power supplies, machine efficiency, the use of structures and facilities, pollution and environmental issues, and the storage processing of agricultural products. Agricultural and biosystems engineering encompasses most other fields of engineering: mechanical for tractors, chemical for food products, civil for barns and storage of grain, electrical for control systems, and so much more. BS ABE,
A jack of all trades.
A master of none.
Oftentimes is better than the master of one.